Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this ash gray lace front unit. So if you're interested in this gray lace front unit, then please keep on watching. So today this unit is brought to you by Matthieu on Amazon.com, and they've reached out to me to review this ash gray unit. I do love this color. I am a sucker for bright, bold looking colors, and this is one of them. I do love the color. Ash gray seems to be a common color style nowadays. Grays are coming out and people seem to love it. I love it. It looks great. I do love the color. So this unit is 22 inches in length, and it comes with 3 combs, 3 at the front, none at the back, but there is adjustable straps, and the interior of the wig is a 613 color. So you can definitely rock any sort of stocking cap that you would like. You could go ahead and use the nude caps that came within the pack. That did supply us with some nude caps, so you can definitely look forward to that. If you happen to have none, it will be in the wig itself. So now the presentation of this unit, it came in their personalized bag here with the product name, also with the type of wig that you've gotten on there as well. They do have a website as well as an email, so you could check them out as well. There are several other colors that are there. They are a gray unit, but it's an ombre. It's a dark root with a much kind of like silver gray. This gray is more of an ash gray, but the gray I'm seeing here is more like a silver-ish true gray type of color. And it also has a nice little, I really love it. It's like a mint, but it's like a soft mint color. Well, yes, it is a mint green as it says on the listing. It's such a beautiful color, and it reminds me of spring so much, and I love it a lot. That color is catching my eye as well. And there's also neutral colors as well, dark brown, black, and even a ginger type of color. So you can definitely go ahead and pick whichever color that you would like. I honestly love this gray. Like, this gray is standing out to me, and I'm loving how this looks, and everything is just looking on point. I love it. I absolutely love this wig. As far as applying heat to this unit, as you can tell at the beginning of the video, I did went off camera though to find the parting space that I would like. You can definitely do a middle part. It will be very nice to do a middle part because you have the most parting space. As far as coming towards the ends, here is not a lot of parting space, and I think the parting space is from here to here. It is not a lot, so you don't have much to work with, but yet it is a beautiful unit. You can definitely do a middle part style with this. I decided to do it to the side a little bit, just a little off to the side. I couldn't do an extreme side part because the lace could only go so far, but the lace is ear to ear, and I did cut the lace off. And the only time I got any shedding was when I cut the lace off. Eventually there will be some tangling due to the length and all of that stuff, but for a synthetic unit, it is soft. When I pull my hands through it, there's no problems, there's no issues. That's what I love about units, period. I love that I could just pull my hands through it and I'm not like tugging every 5 seconds. I just love the feel of it. The feel of it is very good. High quality hair, you can really tell. And also a major plus for me was that it wasn't shiny at all. Look at that. The shine is not like, it's barely there, more like a matte type of finish. And I do love that about units, especially colors like this, they tend to be very shiny. For example, like the neon green here I reviewed a while back. The color is beautiful, the style is great, but the thing is, it's very shiny. So to pull off a color this bright, of this type of color, without it being super shiny and fake looking, is very, very important to me, and I love that. So as far as the lace, I did have to go in and put some powder to it. I didn't lay anything down, I didn't slick anything down in terms of glue. I just tightened the adjustable straps so that it stays in place without me having to put any glue there. So it is a kind of glueless install for me, but you can definitely put some glue there and even do the ball cap method. I haven't done the ball cap method either. I did think about doing it, but I figured that, you know, I'm just trying it on, seeing how it looks, and maybe another time off camera I will definitely try it like that. But you don't really need to, considering that, you know, you could adjust the straps and it will be okay. Unless if you have a really small head, then maybe you might have to glue it down. But other than that, I do love this unit. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. The color, the versatility, well, a little versatility, but it's not a problem for me. I could always put it in the middle. I love my middle part, so you know, it's probably going to be that. And also it does come in a variety of other colors as well, which I would leave down below. So thank you so much, Chrisma, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. This color is gorgeous and the quality is on point, so good job. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, as well as the link to this unit. It will be down below, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.